Nongialam ka NPP James PK Sangma nek sngi ka Pradrik Ujaliw Arjar Arpunriw ulalek ban Thep kyrteng ngilade kum Kyrtong na ka benta banekun yak election MP Rajya Sabha ha ka jing don lang jung ki Nongialam bahakmat jo ka seng nang ta ki nong mi kmat na ki constituency baper ki baya don lang hak Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ha bakren shikelat pathai kubor James PK Sangma ulapun pau ya ka jingai kublai ki pajba nong shong jong ka jela kumjuru yaw menteri rangba ka jela kurat ki Sangma nangta ya ki sembut menteri rangba bas neo bahlang dhar baru ba Presiden Tensong kumju ki menteri Sarkar ki nong thawan bat ki parlo ki badon lang ha ka Sarkar ki bakentup ya ka UDP ka HSPDP ki BJP bat ki MLA shiman ki bala kershan yu na ka benta banlong kumuk Kyrtong sha ka election Rajya Sabha ka ban salong ha ka khat pratarik ujaliw arhajar arpunriyo.
I'm first of all very grateful to the people of Meghalaya and also especially to our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Conrad Sangma, all the Deputy Chief Ministers, both of them, Ba Preston and Bas Neobha, all our Honorable Ministers, our MLAs, and also our alliance partners from the UDP, the HSPDP, the BJP and the Independents for having supported my candidature to the Council of States Rajya Sabha, and today I've just finished filing the nominations, and I look forward to being elected, and hopefully after the election process is over and I'm elected, the responsibilities of the Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha, if it were to fall on my shoulders, I will look at how many of the issues, both which have been pending for a long time, and also issues which we as a state must collectively look at navigating in the future. These are the issues that I intend to be very vocal about in the upper house in Rajya Sabha, so that the voice of Meghalaya can be heard in the Parliament in Rajya Sabha.
So what prompted this decision?
This is a decision collectively made by the MDA too, and all I can say is that I'm deeply honored and I feel very privileged, famously selected by the MDA too, and as I've been saying that me as a person who is here to serve the people of Meghalaya, I will be taking on any responsibility that is given upon me, and similarly today the MDA too has given this responsibility of being the candidate of the MDA too, and I look forward to carrying out that responsibility. Well, we have to still wait till the end of day. Today is the last date of filing nominations, so I don't think we can jump to conclusions here. But yes, if it were to be uncontested, then again this is something that I feel extremely privileged and happy about, that the decision to send an MP Rajya Sabha to Parliament by the state of Meghalaya is one which is does not have any contest, and thereby I will be collectively representing the entire state.
During the MDA meeting, there were no consensus during the MDA meeting. Many wanted to put up their own candidates. So was there any consensus?
Yes, see, of course, consensus basically means that after discussion, whatever differences there may have been, it's always a matter of, coming together and discussing whatever issues there are, and then coming to a unanimous decision. So the consensus comes from the fact that there was discussion, and finally all the alliance partners decided to forward my name.
Sir.
Well, that's very early in the day, I would say, because the elections is still a good 2 years away, and again, elections is also based on the needs and the demands of the people. So we will assess that situation and then we'll accordingly see that. It's too early in the day to respond.
So your nomination doesn't mean that you will not come back to state politics. Assembly elections are 2 years away.
The term of the member of Parliament of Rajya Sabha is 6 years. So I do not intend to come back. Intend to complete this term. It would be very, very unfortunate for anyone to go there and then abruptly just come back.
Okay, coming to